How to use cinnamon to get rid of ants around the home and garden. 1. Cinnamon is a wonderful spice which has been used for thousands of years in cooking and herbal medicine. 2. Ants are a common pest around the world and invade our homes at any opportunity. They are attracted to food sources, especially those which contain sugar. 3. Cinnamon can be used to get rid of ants by simply purchasing a large quantity and sprinkling all over ant paths. 4. We recommend sprinkling cinnamon powder around the doorways and windowsills to prevent the ants from infecting the home. Ants hate cinnamon and are repelled by its odour. 5. An easier option is to purchase cinnamon oil and spread around these areas. This provides the same effect without any visible powder laying around. 6. You can pour cinnamon powder into ant hills and locations where the ants are crowding together. This will repel them over time. 7. Be sure to not place cinnamon powder on the grass, as it can unbalance the pH level of the soil, causing the grass to die. 8. To completely prevent ants from invading your home, try to follow them and find locations where they are entering the home. Then simply generously coat the area in a golden cinnamon powder, or apply a thick coat of cinnamon essential oil. 9. To learn more about natural home remedies and pest repellents, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.